Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys these super cute cupcake liner rosettes embellishments that I created and I wanted to share. I think they're so fun and cute and they look so girly with the packaging and super easy to make. And I'll be sharing with you guys how to make one. But first I wanted to show you the ones that I created. And I packaged them up. I'm not going to be packaging up the one I created with you guys today, but I'm going to show you how I make them. And how fun do these look, you guys? I am obsessed with them. Look how cute they turned out. And these cupcake liners are like my new fave. They're by American Crafts and I hauled them like I think like about a month ago. I'll show you guys what they look like. But I put the cupcake liner on the bottom and then we have a crepe rosette and then like a 2-inch circle, some gold thread, and those little chipboard pieces from the Modern Pop, I think it's called, from Michaels. I used the cute trim to decorate the packaging, and then this little gold piece that I found in my trim stash. But you guys, I absolutely love how they turned out, and I'm super excited to share in my Happy Mail all these beautiful rosettes because I'm sure their new owners will love and appreciate them. I did the trim here. I also used this little pink leaf trim from eBay. And they all have the same thing, just different colors and different little chipboard pieces. I love this one. How colorful and fun is this one? And we have the little doggy balloon. And then we have this one that says fun. And you guys, they're super easy to make. Anybody can make them. You guys know that I love to craft, but I also craft super easy projects that anybody can make and you don't have to take a lot of time. So let me show you guys what you need. So these are the cupcake liners that I used, and you guys, they're so sturdy. You see that little protective seal that it has? It makes them super sturdy and I love it. So you get these 3 in the pack and they came in here, and it's the Sweet Tooth Fairy collection. And these are by American Crafts, and I found these at, I think it's Home Goods for $2.49. And if I see more, I'm definitely picking them up because I love the quality of these cupcake liners. They're so sturdy. I'm obsessed. Now they're pretty big when you open them up. So what I do is I kind of crinkle the center. If you can see how I did this one here. I crinkle the center just to bring it in a little bit and make it a little bit smaller. And then of course you get your choice of crepe paper and you make your little rosette, which we're gonna make right now. And you guys, I miss my nails, but I definitely am enjoying being able to craft and create rosettes because I could not do anything with them nails. I'm definitely gonna go get my nails done and get a manicure once my nails breathe a little bit more, because taking them off took a hard toll on my nails. They were so sensitive. I was in pain for like a full day. But I've been going crazy making rosettes and making stuff because now I feel like it's just easier. I'm sure that a lot of you ladies craft with nails, but I had not done nails in years. So therefore I was not used to it. And since I wasn't crafting as much, I didn't really feel it until I started to try to make something, and then I was like, yeah, that's not gonna work. Cut that right there. And grab my tiny attacher. Oops, did I shake you guys? Sorry. Okay, we have our little rosette that we're gonna place right there in the center. See that? Super easy. I'm gonna add some hot glue. I'm gonna place it right in the center. And then we're gonna grab, I use my 2-inch circle punch, and I punched out a little circle. We're gonna add some hot glue to that as well, and we're gonna place that right in the center. I like to put one in the back as well because I don't like how ugly that looks, so I usually use the same one. We'll punch out another one just to cover, just because I like for everything to look pretty. See, it makes like a world of a difference if you have it on both sides. Now I'm gonna grab some gold thread, but first I'm gonna find my, I got these little chipboard pieces from, oops, from Michaels. We're gonna do the tape because I didn't make any of those. The little cassette tape. Isn't it cute? And just grab some gold thread. I just grab a bunch and roll it up. There's no rhyme or reason to it. Just place it down. Any extra I'll cut off. And then add some hot glue to the little chipboard and just place it right down on top of the ribbon, not the ribbon, the thread. And then any little extra pieces that are like sticking out that's too much, I just cut them off. And look at that, you guys. Isn't that super pretty and easy? And then you just package it up and send it away. But yeah, you guys should definitely try it. You should definitely go to your local TJ Maxx or Home Goods or Marshalls and see if you find these, because I love the scalloped edges and I love the quality. You guys, the quality is amazing. And these are super fun to make and send away to a pen pal, just like a little goodie. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys create one of these for yourself. You don't necessarily have to use these cupcake liners. You can actually make your own with the other cupcake liners and just make your own scalloped edges. I have the scissors that cut like that. But definitely try it out. Super fun to make. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I love you guys so much. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.